In today's video, we're going to demonstrate a quick 10-minute workout for beginners. This workout is designed to target your entire body and increase your overall fitness. Let's start with a warm-up. Begin with some light jogging in place for 30 seconds. Follow this with arm circles to loosen up your shoulders. Remember to keep your movements controlled and steady. First, we'll do squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower your body as if sitting in a chair. Do this for 1 minute. Next, move on to push-ups. If you're a beginner, you can do them on your knees. Perform push-ups for 1 minute. Now let's do some lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Alternate legs for 1 minute. Finally, we'll do planks. Hold the plank position for 1 minute, keeping your body straight and core tight. Now let's cool down. Start with some deep breathing exercises. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Finish with gentle stretching of your arms and legs to relax your muscles. Great job today.